Dear learners, welcome in the third week of our course on academic writing, and we are excited to share that more than 5,000 learners viewed pre-activity webinar and more than 2,000 viewed all the videos completely, and 1100 learners submitted their weekly assignment quiz and scored 75% on average for week 1 and 81% for week 2 quiz so far. So dear learners, spare the time for the video lectures and submit the quiz, and do not worry about the last date. The last date of submission is October last. So now we are releasing the content of third week of our course on academic writing, and this week will present 3 modules on plagiarism. So plagiarism is the most discussed and burning topic of academic and research. So you must be aware of it fully. So we will present the total of 9 parts in 3 modules. Module 7, plagiarism. We will be discussing introduction of plagiarism. Module 8, tools for the detection of plagiarism. And in the third module of this week, we will discuss avoiding plagiarism. And the next webinar we are coming up on the coming Sunday, 4 p.m. So don't forget to stay tuned on coming Sunday, 4 p.m. and happy learning all the learners.